Welcome back to Yolk Boys, where the yolk is always the star. Today we're turning bread and an egg into something way more magical. Egg in a basket. All you need is one slice of bread, one egg, and a little bit of butter. That's it, but trust me, it slaps. First, you want to cut a hole in your bread. A glass works great, but if you've got a cookie cutter that's shaped like a chicken or a cowboy hat, even better. Be sure to save that circle because it's your secret weapon. Once that pan's hot, you want to melt some butter into it over medium heat. Not too hot, you want golden, not scorched. Then we're going to drop that bread slice in there and give it a couple minutes on this side so it gets nice and toasty. After that, we're going to flip it over, crack the egg right into its little basket. And yeah, the yolk should hit the dead center just like a bullseye, not like mine. Now we're going to let this thing cook for a minute or two until the white sets. You can flip it over if you want a runny yolk wrapped in golden armor, or if you're cool like me, don't flip it if you're all about that yolk porn. Once this thing looks nice and done, you can see the whites around it are all cooked. We're going to pull it off, plate it up, and that yolk is just runny enough you can see it jiggling around inside there. And that's where our little secret weapon piece of bread is going to come into play. Now take that secret weapon you made, break that yolk, stare into the sun, use it to scoop up some of that yolk, and then eat it like you mean it. This right here is breakfast at its most elite, and it uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. If you're not making this one tomorrow, you're not doing it right. If you like this content, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button for more excellent content, and yeah, stay yolked up.